According to China EV Post, Xiaomi EV's deliveries in May rose by 22.27% from April. Xiaomi's first electric vehicle, the SU7, delivered 8,630 units in May. This is up from 7,058 units in April. The Xiaomi EV factory will start double-shift production in June to deliver over 10,000 units monthly. Xiaomi launched the SU7 on March 28. It offers three variants, standard at $29,800, Pro, and Max. Deliveries for the standard and Max versions began on April 3, and the Pro version started deliveries in May. By May 15, Xiaomi EV completed the delivery of its 10,000th SU7. The company aims to meet its 100,000 unit delivery target for 2024. Customers currently face a 30-week wait for new orders. On May 24, Xiaomi EV announced that the standard SU7 would now include CATL batteries alongside those from FinDreams Battery. You are listening to Yuan News.